Wanna grow on YouTube? Let me show you a way to do that. Today I am going to talk about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a good add-on to grow your channel. After installing TubeBuddy on your channel, you can use this tool. Watch your channel health and optimize your channel on YouTube. All reports will depend on your channel, therefore you can easily grow your videos on YouTube. This all icons are TubeBuddy tools to help to grow on YouTube. Some tools are help to quick task. As example, replying comment. On this TubeBuddy you can see a lot of tools to grow your video on YouTube. When you uploading new videos on YouTube, TubeBuddy help you to grow video showing tips on upload page. Want to learn more ideas and about TubeBuddy? Subscribe to TubeBuddy channel on YouTube. You can see help page on TubeBuddy page using Journal help. Or you can email to TubeBuddy. If you like to add TubeBuddy on your channel, use the Google Chrome browser and web store to install it. Let me show you one of awesome TubeBuddy tool use method. When you upload new video after adding tag, you will see green numbers on tags. This is ranking tags on your video. If you can't see anything, it means you don't have ranking tag. But we can find ranking tags using Suggest Tag. TubeBuddy Suggest Tag tool. Then saving, you will see ranking tags on your video. This is the one of way to grow your video on YouTube. Stay tuned and subscribe us.